Yes.
We're weather alert, and
Yes.
the wind, you really got our attention with how much wind we're expecting with this snow event.
Yeah, just the wind itself would justify to go impact an alert, because we're talking about a chance for 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Now, a severe thunderstorm, 58 miles per hour is that trigger. So we're talking about the chance for non-thunderstorm involved wind damage possible later on this week. So let's talk about it. This is the preparation day. Increasing clouds. We have a good amount of sunshine even throughout the morning hours, and then increasing clouds later on this afternoon. Your afternoon, evening drive, that's whenever you expect more clouds. But you'll need the sunglasses throughout the morning. Then rain chances, they'll start around midnight and go on through the rest of the overnight and going in the morning hours. This is 7 a.m. Even a chance for some storms to pop up this time tomorrow morning. We'll continue with the rain chance through the rest of the day. Scattered showers, still isolated storm activity going into the afternoon, but that's a better chance for the washed out potential will be on the afternoon going into the evening. And then we start to see cold air, very strong winds bringing down the cold from the north, and that's going to bring that snow chance back. It's going to switch over, so we're talking about rain, then that wet snow, and then eventually it's going to get cold enough for that snow to potentially blow around, leading to a chance for some whiteout conditions. So as far as the rainfall, this is what we're expecting. 3/4 up to around 1.5 inches of rain is expected as we go throughout Tuesday going into Tuesday night. And then Wednesday is whenever that snow is going to be really impactful, especially for any morning drives along I-35 and west of I-35 by 2 o'clock. Pretty heavy snowfall rates at times as well. And then once it pushes off to the east, that rain switches over to snow. It's not going to be as impressive as far as the snowfall rates. Still very, very windy at this point. We're not going to catch a break from the winds until Wednesday afternoon. So even after the snow is done, we still could be looking at some blowing snow, because the gusts ranging from 45 up to around 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts will be possible. Can't even rule out them being stronger than that at times. So it's going to be very, very windy, extreme wind gusts all the way through Wednesday morning, going into even Wednesday afternoon. Evening time frame is when we finally catch a break. We'll start to see those 20 to 30-mile-per-hour gusts possible. But as far as the overall snow amount, notice it is a system that's lacking those extreme totals. Still strong enough still heavy enough to cause for that blowing snow, but even here in the metro, better chance of around 1 up to 2 inches. Farther north and west, you're going to be looking at areas of more than 2 inches possible. And then, of course, the more snow you have with those very strong winds that we will see statewide, that's going to lead to blowing snow and whiteout potential blizzard conditions. That's why winter storm watch for the potential blizzard conditions goes into effect Tuesday night throughout Wednesday. So that's why I'm saying today we got to prepare for it. Fill up the gas tank, run the grocery store if you need to. Highs near 60 degrees. Just really going to be dealing with a breeze and increasing clouds later on today. We don't see the sun until Thursday, so enjoy the sun while you can today. Tuesday, scattered showers. Tuesday night switches over to snow. Winds pick up. Weather alert for Wednesday due to the snow and those very strong winds. And then going into Friday, rain chances, snow chances, it's a mixture of the two return. Then will be dry and sunny for the upcoming weekend.